How to get Japanese letters on Minecraft display name. I am going to show you how you can get Japanese letters on the Minecraft display name. If you're playing on a Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, iPhone, iPad, or Android device, you are playing Bedrock. If you're playing on a Mac or Linux computer, you're playing Java. If you're playing on a PC, it could be either. Open Minecraft and see if it says Java Edition below the title. If it does, you are playing Java. If it doesn't, you are playing Bedrock. In Bedrock Edition, your username is connected to your Microsoft's account gamertag. So to change it, you will need to change the gamertag. Head to the Xbox website and sign into your account by clicking sign in the top right if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, open up your Xbox profile and click customize under your name. Click the pencil icon next to your current username. Type in the new name that you want to change to. Then click check availability. If no one else has that name, it is now yours. The first time you change your gamer tag here, it will be free. But afterward, you will need to pay $9.99 change.